All right, kiddos. For reading, we are going to keep doing our word work that we were doing in Miss DeBoard's class every day. So remember, I'm going to say the word, you copy me, okay? I'm always going to give you time to do the motions with me and then do it by yourself. And we'll see how it goes. Toy boy, blue shoe, horn corn, blow toe, past last. Okay, this is the part where I say the beginning sound and then the whole word. You will copy me. Boy. Horn. Little. Come. Your. Okay, now we're going to be blending our words together. Boy. Gate. Deep. Cup. Horn. Okay, we're gonna punch out our final sounds. Horn. Come. Fruit. Sheep. Good. Okay, it's time for chopping. Get your choppers out. Remember, let me do it first, and then you copy me. Look. Oops, I did that wrong. Look. Look. Hey. A. Fast. Asked. Will. Ill. Door. Or. Good job. If these words sound familiar, I'm doing the same week that we did before spring break. So you might have heard these before, but that's okay, because next week we're going to learn some new skills and new hand motions. So I wanted you guys to have the practice of doing it with me, the ones we've already done. Okay, we're going to add some sounds together. We start with add at the beginning and make sad. Start with add at the beginning and make mad. Good. Start with add d at the beginning to make dad. Start with add but at the beginning to make bad. Good. Last one. Start with add put at the beginning to make pad. Very good. Now we're going to take one of those sounds away. Start with the word hip without h. What's left? Ip. Very good. Start with the word sip without s. What's left? Ip. You got it. Start with the word tip without t. What's left? Ip. Start with the word lip without o. What's left? Ip. Start with the word dip without d. What's left? Ip. You got it. Good job. And the last one is our nursery rhyme. So I wasn't here at the end of the last week, so we're going to do Little Boy Blue again. And I'm going to say it, and then I'm going to have you copy, okay? We're just going to learn the first 2 lines today. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. Good. If you want to, you can try it all by yourself, the whole thing. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. Great. Okay, I miss you guys, and I will see you tomorrow for the same thing. Bye.